It's a moment of extreme pleasure to welcome every one of you present here today at Caloocan City Sports Complex for the turn of patrol vehicle or MOPO. Normal guest for today's event, DOST Jr. Welcome, sir. DOST Undersecretary for Regional Operation, Yusek Sancho Mamorang. DOST TR Regional Director RD Romilin Tresvalles. The MOCOP Technology Inventor Sir Dennis Abellan. Our District 1 Congressman Oscar Oka Malapitan. Our City Administrator CA Aurora Ciego. All the members of the current council, to my fellow department heads, to all barangay captains and officials, and all the employees of the city government of Caloocan here today. It's an honor to see all you in this memorable event. Welcome everyone and thank you for your presence.